26th, 27th, what is the date? 2024, Georgia 92. We're headed back north. The south is behind us. We just left our daughter's house. My daughter's house, not our daughter's house. And we're going to get some rainy day video today. We're going to update this construction on Georgia 92 down to 41. Straight across is, I think it's called Cedar Crest. Will take you all the way around to 41. To the left takes you to, I guess that's Dallas Highway. I guess that's what they call it. Or they may call 92 Dallas Highway. I don't know. But anyway, we're going to go right here. Dallas Acworth Highway. Already starting to fog up. We're going to have to use the defroster. At least some. Turn it up on sort of towards heat. So the high is going to be 70, I think 70 today. So it won't be warm, it won't be cold. Just a rainy autumn day. First week of autumn 2024. 10 after 9. What is the temperature now? I'm using the phone, so I don't know what the temperature is. I guess it's probably high 60s. It could be 70, but it doesn't feel like it's quite 70. We may go to Chattanooga today, run up and catch maybe a Best Buy and Bass Pro Shops. I'm not sure how long they've been working on this here for 4-laning, 92. They've got it coming from what used to be Glade Road over on the other side when you get off the freeway. They've changed it to Altoona Gateway now. So they've got a 4-lane there over to 41, crossing the bridge, and they've redone the bridge. That has been a mess for a long, long time. I guess we could get that video, show you, that'd be the construction Georgia 92, what they're still doing and was completed before we head north. And Georgia 92 shares a segment with US 41 down here, a couple of miles. Do a dog leg to the right. If you come the other way, it's a dog leg to the left. We could do that. We could show you what they're still doing on 92 and the completed construction of 92, which goes across the Lake Acworth Dam that separates Lake Acworth from Lake Altoona. Moved up here, what, 22 years ago now? 22 or 24 years. How long have they been up here? There was nothing. That shopping center back there with the Kroger, I mean, of course, you say that all over Georgia. I wish I'd started updating or, getting video back in 2011 when I first started doing video, when I went down to Miami for wind mitigation inspections. I did a couple of videos just for family, and I started getting viewers and subscribers, and I thought people were spying on me. If I had only known, I would have been monetized. I was monetized then from the beginning. I would have been grandfathered. But I didn't know it, and when I finally realized what was going on and started doing the video seriously, it took me a couple of years to get monetized, and I'm still just struggling making just pittance. Not clearing, nowhere near clearing what it cost. I may make 7% of my cost. I don't know if I dang make that much or not. The biggest cost, of course, is gas, upkeep on vehicles, but I use mileage instead of gas, instead of all of that. It's a lot easier to keep up with. And I use the Google Maps to track mileage now. And I don't ever use but about 50%, although everywhere I go now, you know, there's a camera hung on this windshield. Everywhere I go, my mileage should be 100%, but I still don't use but 50% of it. I have, how many? I've got 3 phones and a pad that's on all the time that track me on Google Maps, and I've got another pad that is on very seldom. It's a smaller pad. I hardly ever use it. It's a very good pad, but it's a smaller pad. It doesn't have its. I wish I had gotten the one that had the phone chip in it, but I didn't. There's another $50. And I could have had it connected instead of having to connect it through a hotspot. That's the main reason I don't use it. It's a great little pad. And like I say, normally from back here at the Kroger, this is backed up all the way down to this red light, but with, you know, because of construction. But if we're running a little bit later, 9:15, it would have been bumper to bumper all the way down through here. But I guess we'll do this. We'll take them right here on 41 Georgia 92. We'll go down and turn left at the Walmart and go over to Blade Road or Alatoona Gateway. Let y'all see the Georgia 92 construction, under construction and completed construction. Hills where all this kudzu is, groundhogs live in there. There's no telling how many groundhogs they kill grading these hills and stuff down, but they live in here. You can see them sitting up on the side of the hill eating kudzu. The burrows, I don't know how deep they go, but in the winter when the kudzu dies, you know, they're a whole lot easier to see. Vicky had never seen one. She wanted to see one so bad. I was trying to find, you know, let her see one, and she never got to see one. We used to cut up a whole lot, and she didn't know whether I was telling her the truth half the time or not. So I don't know that she ever believed me. I called them critters. I don't know that she ever believed me about them. And we're going to get in the left lane. We're going to turn left up here. At the Walmart. Rainy day videos today. It's not going to be any sunshine today, folks. There's a storm coming in. May spawn a bunch of tornadoes. May spawn a bunch of tornadoes. Okay, when we make this turn, we're going to fall over in the right lane. And that way we'll slow down crossing over bridges. Well, I say coming in the afternoons, rush hour traffic, it was backed up from back here to that red light all the way over here to Blade Road. It probably still is, because you still got to make a right turn there when you get off and come up here. And you got 2 turn lanes, but I expect it's still pretty congested. Get it, Jackrabbit, get it. down here on Sunday morning too. Yeah, welcome to Acworth. So Lake Acworth is on the right, Lake Allatoona is on the left. At Acworth, even with all of the tax base and everything they've got now, this West Bank, or over here South Bank, whatever they call it, West Bank, during the season they charge you $10 to get in, credit card only. I guess we'll turn right here and let you see the old bridge, come down and turn around. Also, Acworth likes to sit right here and catch me. See, old 92, this used to be the bridge for years and years until this new one's done, was completed. Couldn't we? And like I say, it used to be backed up crossing this bridge. Lake Allatoona, I mean Lake Acworth. Over there. Turn it off, we're going to have to wait to get out here. It took them a long time to get this done. When we get up here to, I still call it Glade Road, but when we get up here to Allatoona Gateway, we'll turn it off, we'll come back down into Acworth, come through Acworth, let y'all see Acworth on 293, let you see the actual city. Crossing over 290, Georgia 293, which is also, unless I'm mistaken, which is also old US 41. Here at this red light, if you turn left, that will take you right down to 75. This is, like I said, Glade Road or Allatoona Gateway. And a bunch of new construction down there too, apartments, motels. There's subdivision here on the left. And 92 goes straight on across up here, take you over to 75 there at Carbella's. And then all the way on over to, Norcross, Alpharetta, wherever it is, it goes through over there. We're going to turn it off, and we're going to turn right here. We're going to turn it off. We're going to try to shorten this video some, and then pick it back up and let you see Acworth when we get into Acworth. Okay, you've got here, you've got, I don't know what that is. That's been here since been built since I've been through here. must be Tanyard Creek. There's a little park, trails. Acworth Community Center. We're coming into Acworth now. We've got a park, Logan's Farm Park. It'd be a good bike ride, I think. We may have to do that. Well, it's probably not going to stop raining before we leave out. All this to the left and right, all this stuff. We'll go into Acworth, cross the tracks, and then head north on 293. Which way do we need to get through here now? We haven't come through here in a while. Just going around and go up to this one. You'll maybe get to see a little bit more of Acworth unless we can't get out of it. Boy, they have changed a lot of stuff. That stuff isn't cheap, folks. Get off that wallet if you want one. Crossing over the railroad track, of course, Kennesaw is to the left. Big Shanty, where the general was hijacked for the great locomotive chase. I think, what, 1862? CSX is down there working on the tracks there now. They have this lit up at night. I don't know if they do year round or not, but it's really nice when it's lit up at night. Okay, we're going to turn this off when we get through here, and we're going to put it together and start uploading it. Churches. There's a lot to see. You know, this whole area has got a tremendous amount of stuff to see and do. The Southern Museum of Locomotive and Civil War History back here in Kennesaw, where the general is. Cartersville has 4 or 5 nice museums. Tellus, Savoy, Booth's Western Museum. There's just all kind of stuff to do in this area. You could spend a couple of weeks on vacation and have a great time. And then if you wanted to even go up towards Rome, all this stuff is accessible from this area. Easily accessible. Okay, we just crossed over that. We're going under where we crossed a minute ago. To the left to be Lake Acworth and Lake Altoona. We're going to stop somewhere right down here. We're going to go ahead and turn this off. This is Georgia 293. We're going to stop somewhere right down here, put this together, and start uploading. Construction everywhere. Okay, we're going to turn it off. It'll be a wrap.